Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an energetic DNA activation that I'm very excited for. If you're new to my channel, I am Lydia. I'm an energy healer. I've been doing this full time for over a year and I'm so excited to tune into this. So let's just get started. As always, put a hand on your heart, put a hand on your belly. We're going to take 3 deep breaths in together to tune in to these frequencies, and then we'll just go into the healing. Take a deep breath in. I want you to feel this stream of light piercing through your body, through your crown, your third eye, your throat, your heart, your solar, your sacral, and your root, pushing through your hips, your thighs, your knees, your shins, your calves, your ankles, and your feet, pushing down through the earth, visualizing this golden light moving all the way down to the crystalline core, the center of the earth, connecting here already, feeling that divine connection of light all the way through you. Maybe feeling chills in your body, maybe just tuning in, giving yourself that space. There's this beautiful spinning energy all around the chakra systems here, all around the spine specifically. I really want you to feel that spinning up and down the spine. They're sharing the DNA. Each of us has DNA that shares a specific frequency. This DNA, are like telecommunicators or transmuters of our frequencies to others. Our DNA is the thing that is that sensory ability to connect. So those with very open and strong DNA tend to be very sensitive beings. And they're showing me the carbon-based DNA here, surrounded by multiple other forms of angelic DNA, spiritual DNA, crystalline DNA, all activating around that physical form of that carbon-based DNA. These other DNAs are holding space in kind of different dimensions, or are in this dimension but just hold a certain frequency of light that the human eye cannot see. This is important for us to understand. And they're showing that the angelic DNA or the light DNA or the crystalline DNA that is around the carbon-based DNA is what helps the carbon-based DNA actually stay stationary in itself. The increase of divine DNA helps increase our confidence in the physical body because we feel more stable. The increase in this divine DNA also helps us transmute and connect to other frequencies with greater strength, is what I'm hearing. Greater connection. Because they're showing me the ether. They're showing this frequency of ether. Okay, so I want you to visualize your DNA, carbon-based DNA. All of these different, I'm seeing like multiple different strands of DNA. I'm seeing like the number 6 specifically, 6 strands of DNA all around the carbon-based DNA. Each of these are 2-stranded, right? And this is creating a very solid stream of energy. And what they're showing it to be as is almost like a cord, like a voltage cord. So certain things, like certain technologies, need a lot of voltage. So it'll have a thicker cord with a lot more wiring. That's kind of what our DNA is doing, is it's increasing its voltage, right? We've talked about this before as we're shifting from 2 volt to 12 volt. This is that visualization now, and that carbon-based DNA is the one on the inside. It is that first stream of DNA, and now we're increasing all around it. I want you to feel into your DNA now, going into each and every one of your cells, going into your nucleus. In the nucleus, I want you to see those strands of DNA. I want you to see the increase in voltage. I want you to see all of those different angelic DNAs all around that carbon-based DNA. I want you to also go to the mitochondria. I want you to see the mitochondria also pumping stronger energy here. Stronger voltages coming into your body. The mitochondria has a lot to do with the increase in our angelic DNA. What do we know about the mitochondria? It's the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria is also very associated with the concept of our solar plexus. These frequencies are angelic frequencies to help support your angelic DNA see itself, understand itself, for you to be able to see the strength of your DNA now. They're almost showing me, like, you know those Twizzlers or the licorice that you can pull off? They're kind of showing that to be the DNA here, like seeing all of those different things as different facets of our DNA. And when we can notice the increase of our DNA, we can start to tune in to the messages or the coding that each of those strands of DNA has for us. So then we can tune into greater amount of our gifts. And this goes into our sensitivity, right? They're saying the sensitivity, the DNA is the sensitive part. It is the connection of our ether. Allow this to resonate in your soul if this makes sense to you. So there's an increase in our ether. There's an increase in our energetic connection. I'm seeing, as we're tuning into this, an increase of telekinesis, an increase of telecommunication. I'm going to have some light language come in to help communicate this, because my human body is having a hard time. Hathor energy is also coming in. Working with the electrons as well. This increased frequency, this increased voltage that is flowing through us at this time is then also increasing the electron body. When we have greater understanding of the electron body, that's when we can also biolocate. So this is another gift that they're showing is coming forward, biolocation, or what some people call teleportation. Let those codes come in, filter into the body, shifting through the body here. From head to toe, feel the increase in voltage. Again, I want you to almost see this voltage line, almost helping visualize this long cord, this long voltage that has all of these different wiring here, shifting into the brain and shifting through the body, down through the crown, the third eye, the throat, the heart, the solar, the sacral, and the root going through the hips, the thighs, the knees, the shins, the calves, the ankles, and the feet. Push this cord all the way down to the crystalline core and connect it in as if you're charging. Ooh, the body with the crystalline core. Ooh, just got an increase in voltage there. And so then what this is doing as we're tuning into the crystalline core is helping activate that crystalline DNA. A remembrance is coming in. I want us to bring in some of this wisdom and this knowledge up through our roots, up through that cord, going up into our feet, our ankles, our shins, calves, knees, thighs, hips, root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown, all the way up into the heavens. Tuning into this energy here, the angelic DNA, bringing this all the way back down. Feeling into the angelic DNA. Ooh, guys, this is such a divine activation here, divine frequencies. Wow, I really wish that you're experiencing this as strong as I am right now. There is so much increase in the body, so many sensations that I'm feeling. Ni ariam usk ariam sk ariant isk ariant ask. So again, this is happening outside of the physical body. The physical body is the feeling of the carbon, right? So I want us to see our physical body right now as the carbon-based DNA. And we have all of this room around us as these other forms of DNA that we cannot see. That fills up our auric field with our energy, though. Is this making sense? And I want you to see all of these different beings or all of these different support systems of energy all around us here in our auric field, which is helping charge our energy. It's a very charged energy right now. Drink lots of water. Receive as much as you can here right now. I'm getting lightning coming down through the carbon base and going all the way through the body. Lightning coming down here, and it amplifies into the other energies. Feeling that voltage still coming through. Do you notice how you're subtly able to handle all of this, though? Because it's a remembering. Your body was built for this. Your body is literally built for this. And it's just a remembering of bringing all of this mechanical and energetic understanding back online. And what this is doing is legitimately creating a new species. Like, it's creating a new version of us as humans. The way that we see evolution moving forward, the way that we see our beings evolving from this moment forward is going to shift. Religiously, it's going to shift, is what it's saying. They keep saying stability. It's very stable. It's a very stable energy here. This divine DNA that is coming online around us is creating such a stable foundation for the human experience. And it's creating a unifying energy. The one thing that all of us have in common is our carbon-based DNA. And now all of us have in common is this increase in divine DNA that is coming online here on this planet. It's a unifying energy. Unity consciousness. So they're doing a lot more coding, coming all the way through the body to help activate this remembrance and this understanding within your body. All the way through. Oof. All the way down through the hips, the thighs, the knees, the shins, the calves, the ankles, and the feet, pushing down, connecting this voltage all the way through the crystalline core, activating here for human consciousness, and allowing all of us to start to awaken this remembrance of our pure DNA, of our angelic DNA, of our divine DNA, of our crystalline DNA. All of these things activating here within the body. allowing your energy field to really just shine and shimmer and glow and magnify, amplifying in sovereignty and divinity, righteousness, royalty, unity, unconditional love, absolute electricity, absolute light flowing through you. This is going to also increase your intuition, your greater discernment. Again, the interconnection with the ether, right? Telecommunication is a lot stronger here. Communication with animals, communication with other beings. These are going to be some of those first steps into understanding our DNA, is feeling the gifts of telecommunication is what I'm feeling. Some of you are already increasing this capacity. This is going to make it like so much easier to telecommunicate. And for some of you, right, you're going to be tuning deeper into that galactic communication, that connection with your certain DNA, right? Each of our DNAs come from different areas. Some of us are hybrids, or some of us have connections with certain planetary systems, maybe Pleiades, maybe Sirius, maybe Andromedan. All of these places, they might have an increase in communication here with you, as this is increasing your divine DNA. Okay, I'm going to close out here soon because I don't want to overwhelm the system. They're saying it's not overwhelming the system. This is like a full recharge. This is like an energetic recharge that your soul has been like looking for, is what I'm feeling. So we're going to bring down more light down through the crown, the third eye, the throat, the heart, the solar, the sacral, the root, the hips, the thighs, the knees, the shins, the calves, the ankles, and the feet, pushing all the way down through the earth, pushing through your roots. Visualize your rooted system here. Visualize you as that carbon-based tree, activating here in your physical form, standing up straight, sitting up straight, feeling your spine activating, feeling your muscles activating in alignment with your highest good and the good of mankind. Push those roots deep into the earth. Connect your roots into the crystalline core as your carbon-based being is activating your crystalline energy. Connecting here, bringing this energy all the way back up through your roots, your feet, your ankles, your shins, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your root, your sacral, your solar, your heart, your throat, your third eye, and your crown, all the way up into the heavens, declaring this to be your truth. And bringing this energy all the way back down and around. As I went into the heavens, there was like this celebration that was taking place as we've unlocked something here for this collective and part for humanity. And we're super excited for this expansion that's taking place. And I'm so grateful to give this this transmission right now. Beautiful. We're going to release out any last energy that doesn't serve you, letting it go and letting it flow, clearing out any energetic debris that might have come forward at this time. Releasing, releasing, releasing. Yee, I'm so excited about this activation. My whole body is like so lit up right now. Bringing unconditional love into every cell of your body, illuminating from the inside out. Appreciating the love, the joy, the peace, the bliss, the honor of being alive here in this present moment. I see you, I love you, I honor you. We're going to put some gold and light energy all around your aura, keeping you safe, sane, and protected, embracing the beauty of who you are and honoring your soul journey, bringing abundance all the way through you and into the collective consciousness field as we all shift together. Take a deep breath in, collective. Your energy is yours. My energy is mine. And so it is. And so it is. There you go, you guys. What a beautiful activation. What a beautiful energy. I'm so grateful to share this message with you guys and to feel this in myself. I'm so excited for human evolution and where we are going and how we are getting there. And I'm so stoked to be here with you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you don't already subscribe, like, and comment, please do that today. It really does help me out and bring this content to more people. For those who are ready to receive this, I'm sending you off with so much love. Mwah. Bye.